Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. 2 out of the 3 girls have started being clever. They're laying eggs. Over the past 3 days, I've been getting 2 eggs a day. These are the first ones that I got, but it was just that rainy, so they're slightly muddy. It's been dry for a day, and the eggs this morning are nice and blue, and you can see next to this bicarbonate of soda, which is white. You can see the blue and slightly green tinge. They're like small duck eggs in colour. Just thought I'd show you that little bit. Yay, eggs at last. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.